Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's June 19th, 2026, and I have a neighbor call me. He's got a tree in his front yard that's got a lot of dead in it. Let me show you this over here. You can see from this side, it looks to be like a dogwood type tree over here, but then it's cohabitating with a dead, I think it might be a tulip poplar or some kind of other tree, but you can see the lead over here coming out, goes up. It's all dead. The dogwood part of the tree is actually all good, and it's just got that the dead tree intertwined with it in a spot. You can kind of see if you come down here and then go out to the left, there's a dead part that comes out over here. So let's go have a go at this and see if we can get this removed as my neighbors requested. Okay. All right, let's take a closer look at this. This may not be a dogwood tree. It looks like some other type of tree. I'm not sure what that is. If I find it, I'll put it here in the description. But as we go in closer to the tree here, you can see that there's, quite a difference in the bark here. And this is probably, that's a 9-inch span. 9 and 9 it's a good 15, maybe 18 inches here. But what it's done, it's the original tree was these three main leads here, but this guy, when he went up, it looks like he grew up here and sent two leads out this way. So this is a bad lead here, and that's actually detached almost. There's another lead there. So I think what I'm going to do, yeah, that lead definitely goes out there. This gets a little bit complicated, so I'll probably have to make a cut here. I'll probably make a cut right here and then back there, and that way I can get this out, and then I'll go after the other main branch. All right, so to do this, I'm going to go grab my Worx, my trusty Worx cordless 20-volt chainsaw. All right, so the first thing I want to do is get a little bit of protection on my head here. So I'll get my cap out. It's a little sunny day out. I have this bucket back here that, I carry my saw in. I normally have it hooked like this so it doesn't bounce around a lot. But just unhooking it, you can see it's easy to pull out. I got my shroud on here. I don't want that blade cutting here and anything. And I've just changed my blade out. I put a new bar on as well recently. I'm starting out with about somewhere between 4 and 5 bars. It's saying 5. When I first started up, it said 4. All right, so let's get in here and go after this. All right. Not the best camera angle, but you can see what I'm trying to do. Getting Nick underneath. Okay, that came right off. Actually, I'm going to cut that in one more piece just to help getting it out of here a little bit easier. All right. Oh yeah, definitely dead. Dead. All right, well, before I go any further, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and clear this little bit of brush. I've got some of it loaded in my bucket. I'm going to take this piece here, do one more slice, put it in the bucket, get it out here, and then come back and do that main lead. Okay, let me show you what's going on. So on this side, my bottom part of the face cut wasn't lining up with the top, so I just made a plunge cut here and went with that. Let's see what I got on the other side. Alright, so it looks like it got to come way down still. Alright, so taking a look at this, looks like I've got good clearance there. All I've got to do is make that back cut. Now, because I don't want to damage these dogwoods or whatever they are, I'm probably going to come down and make a slightly vertical cut here. All right, so not the perfect cut, but given what I had to work with, I'm happy with that. Chain popped off.
A few moments later.
Go haul that bad boy off. Okay, I'm gonna bring the tractor around this side. Well, probably would. Let's see what we do.
Moments later. More moments later.
All right then, total elapsed time to do the cutting, maybe 10-15 minutes, but the cleanup is really what took a longer time. That was probably about a half hour back and forth with the tractor a couple times. But you can see the tree's all done now. It's got some minor twigs down here, but I got it, I think, all removed just like the homeowner wanted. And it looks pretty good. Oh, did I nick the regular tree out just a little bit? Oh well, couldn't be helped, I suppose. But anyway, thanks for coming along on this adventure today. I had some fun helping a neighbor out. He's an elderly gentleman, and he asked for my help, so my nature is to, hey, if I can help, I'm going to go ahead and help. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.